Hey everyone, ready to crack the code for business English? It's time to level up your English proficiency skills as we help you get ready to win. Welcome to HIP English. My name is Angela and it's another episode here at HIP English. This is brought to you by Hawkins International Partners, and our goal here for the video series is to help you get ready to win and conquer your TOEIC and TOEFL tests. We're currently doing a video series regarding the TOEIC test. Today we are on our 6th video where we will discuss conversations from the listening section of the test. Before we begin, we're hoping that you've already seen the previous videos of the TOEIC listening and reading tests. I'd like to talk about very quickly about the TOEIC listening and reading test. The TOEIC is actually just an acronym. TOEIC stands for the Test of English for International Communication. TOEIC is an international standardized English proficiency exam. It's a business English test or a test on how well you're able to process and understand and use English in a typical workplace scenario. You can use the scores to complete requirements for your employment or university applications. Test score users usually use your score results for assessment, placement, and promotion. The TOEIC listening and reading test is divided into 2 sections. The first part is on the listening exam and the second part is the reading exam. The first part of the test is the listening section. For this section, all of the questions and answer choices will be played via an audio player. Take note that once the recording has started, test takers are not allowed to leave the room and latecomers will not be allowed to enter anymore. So if you're taking the test online, please make sure you come ahead of your schedule and you attend the orientation. The first part of the listening section focuses on photographs. The same thing goes for the second part of the listening section, which is on question and response. For this video, we're focusing on conversations. There will be several recordings depicting 2 people having a conversation. Each conversation will be followed by 3 to 5 questions. The questions will revolve on the topic of the conversation, the location of the recording, as well as some of the statements you heard from the speakers. The purpose of conversations is to check how well you process and understand things that you hear in English. In the next part of the video, we will do a mock test. We will play 7 recordings with 3 questions each. By the end of the 21st question, we will reveal the right answers. Here's the conversation for questions 1 to 3.
How's it going?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Never better, thanks.
So, how have you been lately?
I've actually been pretty good. You?
I'm actually in school right now.
Which school do you attend?
I'm attending PCC right now.
Are you enjoying it there?
It's not bad. There are a lot of people there.
Good luck with that.
Thanks.
Question number 1. What did the man answer to the first question? Number 2. Where is the man currently located? Question number 3. How did he describe the place he's attending? Here's a conversation for questions 4 to 6.
It doesn't look very nice outside today.
You're right. I think it's going to rain later.
In the middle of the summer, it shouldn't be raining.
That wouldn't seem right.
Considering that it's over 90 degrees outside, that would be weird.
Exactly. It wouldn't be nice if it started raining. It's too hot.
I know, you're absolutely right.
I wish it would cool off one day.
That's how I feel. I want winter to come soon.
I enjoy the winter, but it gets really cold sometimes.
Question number 4. What did the man think is going to happen later? Number 5. What did the woman say was the temperature outside? Number 6. What season did the man say he enjoys? Here's a conversation for questions 7 to 9.
Don't you think it's nice out?
Yes, I think so too.
I think that it's going to rain.
I hope that it does rain.
You like the rain?
The sky looks so clear after it rains. I love it.
I understand. Rain does make it smell cleaner.
I love most how it is at night after it rains.
How come?
You can see the stars so much more clearly after it rains.
Question number 7. What did the woman say about the weather? Number 8. What did the man mention about the sky? Number 9. What did the man say about the skies at night? Here's the conversation for questions 10 to 12.
I really want to go to the beach this weekend.
That sounds like fun. What's the weather going to be like?
I heard that it's going to be warm this weekend.
Is it going to be perfect beach weather?
I believe so.
Good. I hope it doesn't cool off this weekend.
I know. I really want to go to the beach.
But you know that California weather is really unpredictable.
You're right. 1 minute it's hot, then the next minute it's cold.
I really wish the weather would just stay the same.
I do too. That way we can have our activities planned ahead of time.
Yeah, that would make things a lot easier.
Question number 10. When did the man plan to go to the beach? Number 11. What did the woman say about California weather? Number 12. What did a woman wish about the weather? Here's the conversation for questions 13 to 15.
Have you heard my good news?
You haven't told me anything yet.
I got a promotion at work earlier this week.
Is that right?
It's the truth. I am really happy.
Congratulations on your promotion.
Thank you very much.
I am really excited for you.
Question number 13. What did a woman ask the man? Number 14. What did a woman have this week? Number 15. What did the man say to the woman after hearing the story? Here's a conversation for questions 16 to 18.
Are there any hobbies you do?
When I have time, I sometimes draw and paint.
Oh, you actually do that?
Every so often I do.
Did you always know how to draw and paint?
I was taught in high school how to draw and paint.
You had an art class?
Exactly. It was my favorite class.
Well, it's good that you're so talented.
I appreciate that.
Talent is a great thing. I wish I had one.
Everyone has talent. They just need to find it.
Question number 16. Aside from drawing, what other hobby did the man say? Number 17. Since when did the man learn his hobbies? Number 18. What did a woman say she wished she had? Here's a conversation for questions 19 to 21.
Have you heard about Jessica's party on Saturday?
I've heard about it, but I'm still waiting for my invitation.
Really? I got mine from her this morning.
I'm guessing that she's going to give me my invite today or tomorrow.
You're probably right. Do you intend on going to the party?
I want to. I heard it's going to be really fun.
I know.
Well, when does the party start?
It's supposed to start at about 8.
How many invitations has she given out?
I really don't know, but I don't think she gave out that many yet.
I really want to go, so I hope that she gives me my invite soon.
Question number 19. When is the party happening? Number 20. What time will the party start? Number 21. What did a man hope for by the end of the recording? All right, let's take a look at the answers. How many items did you get correct? The best tip we can offer for this part of the test is you skim while you're listening to the audio recording. Skim through the questions as well as the answer choices because sometimes the first question has already been answered at the first part of the recording. Conversations will have exactly 30 items. Once the audio recording is done, you will automatically move to the next part of the listening section, which is on talks. You can check out our previous videos on the listening section, which focuses on photographs and on question and response. This ends the conversations video, the third part of the listening section of the TOEIC test. Before the video ends, let's recap a few things that we need you to remember. Number 1, come in 30 minutes before your test schedule so you have enough time. Remember, there will be no breaks, no pauses, and no stops. Number 2, test proctors will be playing an audio recording to instruct you on how to fill out the answer sheet before the actual test starts. If you're taking the online test, make sure you attend the orientation. Number 3, shade legibly the letter of your choice. Number 4, if you can, read the questions while listening to the audio recording. Most of the time, you will be able to figure out the answer just by skimming. We hope you learned a lot today. Now that you're already familiar with the listening section's photographs, question and response, and conversations, I think you're ready to move on forward to talks, which is featured in our next video. Thank you for joining us in our video today. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, HIP English, to know more about TOEIC and TOEFL. Turn on the notifications button as well so you know when we've uploaded new videos in this channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in our next video. Like, subscribe, and share so you're ready to win.